Before starting the video, for those who haven't subscribed, it would be nice to subscribe first so this channel can grow. We offer a 100% free guided course for the speaking part on our website. Don't forget to enroll and receive hundreds of free materials. The link is provided in the description. One achievement that I am particularly proud of is my decision to become healthier by losing weight and quitting video games. I made this decision about a year ago when I realized that my sedentary lifestyle and unhealthy eating habits were negatively impacting my physical and mental well-being. At first, the process of losing weight and cutting out video games was challenging. I had to make significant changes to my daily routine, such as going to the gym regularly and finding new hobbies to replace my gaming addiction. However, as time went on, I began to notice positive changes in my mood, energy levels, and overall health. I am incredibly proud of this achievement for several reasons. Firstly, I managed to accomplish my goal despite the doubts and skepticism of others. Many of my friends and family members thought that I would not be able to stick to my new healthy habits, but I proved them wrong. Secondly, this achievement has given me a sense of pride and confidence in myself. I feel more in control of my life and my choices, and I have a greater appreciation for the power of self-discipline and hard work. In summary, my decision to become healthier by losing weight and quitting video games has been one of my most significant achievements. Although it was not an easy journey, I am proud of the progress I have made and the positive changes it has brought to my life.